Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today topic Indira Gandhi. In this topic you can use your Independence Day speech also. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. First point, Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Second point, Indira Gandhi is also known as Iron Lady of India. Third point, she was born on 19th November 1917 in Uttar Pradesh. Fourth point, her father's name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and mother's name was Kamala Nehru. Fifth point, she was honored with Bharat Ratna. Okay friends, thank you.